Okay, YouTube, so you think that your computer's getting a little slow at startup. I'm going to show you a way you can speed it up to a certain limit, and this, I believe, will help you out a lot. Let's get started on it, because I don't want to waste your time. The first thing you want to do, I got Windows 7. However, you can get to your start menu in whatever operating system you have. You go to the start menu, you click in the little search box and type in msconfig, and then you right click on it up here and run as administrator. Okay, and again, I'm going to put this over here so you can see it. msconfig. Get that rid of that. Okay, what you got here is you got the general, boot, services, startup, and tools. Under the general tab, you're going to have normal startup, diagnostic startup, and selective startup. I have mine on selective startup because I choose which services I want to start up under the boot menu as well. For the most part, if your computer starts alright, you won't need to mess with this or the boot sequence. You won't need to mess with that. But the services, this is stuff that is running on your computer or is not running, as you can see. Oops, let's move her over so you can see her better. The services, again, is stuff that is running or not running on your computer. This you can change under your services tab under the start menu. What service, like if your wireless won't work, you might want to go under that and turn your wireless on. For the purpose of this video, I'm more worried about the startup menu because that is what determines how fast your computer starts up. And as we go down the line, what you're going to have to do is pick and choose which service you want to start when your computer starts. For instance, I've always said that there's three things that you need on your computer to keep it clean and running good. One is CC Cleaner, two is AVG Free Edition, and the other is Malwarebytes. Those three things can keep your computer running where you'll never need any help. For instance, this CC Cleaner, I do not want to run it at startup. I run it when I want to use it, so I shut it off. And you can go down and see these Wondershare Helper Compact Live. I don't need that running at startup. If I need it, I'll get it. And if you don't know if you need something here, you can copy this, put it in the search engine, and it'll tell you what it does. That way you'll know if you actually need it or not. Just don't go through here and start unclicking things, because there might be some stuff that you actually need. You know, like AVG, you need AVG running at startup because that's what protects your computer. So as I go down here, we got Avid App Man Helper. I'm not sure on that. I think because that's for my recording studio, and I actually know what it is. I uncheck it because I don't need my recording studio starting when I start my computer up because that's going to slow it up. Here's CC Cleaner, and I got it unchecked. Avid Audio, I don't need Avid Audio running when my computer starts up. Same thing there. CC Cleaner, Avid Audio, Install a Shield, I don't need that running. Update Notifier, I don't really need that running. Some people like to have their updates when I use the updates when I need them. Otherwise I just leave them disabled, but that's up to you. Some people need to have their updates notice turned on just to be safe. WinZip, I don't need it on until I need to use it. So that's basically the way I set my startup. If you change anything in here or in any one of these, you're going to have to restart your computer. I'm going to go to the tools part just to show you what it is. These are your user account control settings, and then you click on launch. This is just different stuff. You can go through if you want to and check it out, but like I said, for the most part we're worried about speeding your computer up at startup, and that's what this startup menu does. And I have changed some in here now, so I'm gonna have to apply it, and it's gonna tell me that I need to restart my computer. You may need to restart your computer to apply these changes before restarting. Save any open files and close programs. So you can exit without restarting or restart. I'm restarting my computer now, and it should load a lot faster than what it did. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to let you go. It's going to restart, and make sure that you click on thumbs up, and please make sure that you subscribe to my videos. Again, I appreciate it very much, and we'll see you again with more helpful tips on keeping your computer running optimal.